What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. And today, I'm a little bit bored, and my car is really dirty. So I'm gonna take you to the car wash with me. And it's kind of windy, so if you hear like wind and stuff like that, I'm sorry. But I'm gonna just go wash the car because it's really, really dirty. I'm gonna show you right now. So let's go to the car wash. If you wonder why I'm in the backyard, it's because I was looking at some tires that I got over there. So we're finna go to the car wash and make it look shiny. Alright guys, so we made it to the car wash. It's a little nice car wash here. So I'm finna show you the car right now. You know, got the money. Low $1,000. So I'm gonna show you the car how dirty it looks. Let's get it. This is how it looks. I haven't washed it in forever. I barely drive it. It sits outside. Don't mind the paint right there. It's messing up. I'm gonna get that fixed. The picture looks good. Alright guys, so we watched it, saw the process, whatever. My girlfriend's finna move it up, so we'll see how that goes. Hopefully she don't mess it up. Trying to go up. That's my compressor. Still kind of loud, but who knows? she haven't broken it, so we're good. So we parked right here, and now she's gonna air it down. So we're gonna see that again. So hold up. Boy. Alright guys, so it was a car wash, but I decided to take some pictures. You know, I'm out here cutting the grass, you know what I mean? Right there, post up. You know, hopefully I don't get in trouble. I ain't trying to get in trouble, but that's how it looks. So I'm about to go home before I get in trouble, for sure. So I'm out here, top of a building. But see you home real quick. To wax it and clean the wheels. I made it home. Parked right there. And I got something to show you. As soon as I wash my car, a freaking bird shit on my car. So I'm finna show you that. It always happens, I'm pretty sure, to anybody. I'm gonna show you that. It's not that big, that's a good thing. So I'm gonna show you right now. And I'm gonna try to wax it. So here's where the bird took a dookie. Right there. Right there. So I gotta clean that. But it's looking shinier, better than it was. That's how it looks. Shiny. All waxed. I didn't really take my time waxing it, but that's how it looks. So this is it. This is final result. Looking shiny. Just post up on the street. And well, I'm gonna end the video right here. And thank you for watching this video. All my subscribers, thank you. You guys are the best for subscribing me, giving me, support, and watching all the videos, commenting, and giving me props for the part. So see you next time. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe.